a fee waiver application put your 10-year ILR at risk? So this is the question that is asked by plenty of people. So I will address this question today. Fee waiver application is mainly done when someone wants to make UK visa application and they do not have the sufficient funds either to pay for the application or for the IHS. So they go into the fee waiver, they tell Home Office that they do not have the disposable income to make this application, and because to live in the UK there has to be the valid leave, but they do not have the sufficient funds to pay for that. So based on their financial circumstances, they make the application of fee waiver. But it is very important that if the fee waiver gets accepted, that's really good. But if not, they give you 10 working days in order to pay the IHS fees and the application cost. If you do not do that, then your section 3C leave that you have under the section 3C, that can break. And if that breaks, and if you don't make the application in time after that, then your continuity period will break as well. So that means your clock will reset. You will have to complete the 10 years again. As we have this case of Afzal versus Secretary of State for the Home Department in 2021, where Mr. Afzal's fee waiver application was refused and he was given time, 10 working days, in order to pay for the IHS and the application cost. And he failed to pay the IHS, although he did pay the application cost, but that led to the continuity period to break because he didn't pay the IHS in time. If he would have paid the IHS in time, the continuity period would not have broken and the cycle would not have started again. But since he didn't pay that, he has to make that all time again. So it is very important that when you make this fee waiver application, you need to make sure that if it gets accepted, that's really good. Even then you have to put down the application in 10 working days. If not, then again you need to pay the application cost and the IHS cost. Therefore, you don't have to suffer later. If by any chance you are unable to pay in 10 working days, you need to tell the Home Office clearly what are the reasons for not paying. Therefore, you don't have the issues later on. So I hope this information